What is good, YouTube? It's your favorite clothes fanatic, Coconut Locan. I can't even say that with a straight face. But you know, what's good? It's your boy Corey. Hope y'all having a good day or a good night, whenever you're watching this. But I got one last package from Threadbeast. And since I had a bunch of points saved up from the previous packages, I was able to get extra items. So let me just show you the girth, that true girth of this package. This is a normal package. Normal payment plan, everything. This is the size of like the baller package. Put them side by side. Actually crazy. But yes, I had enough points saved up. So we got some extra goodies in this one. And I ended my subscription, but I did enjoy the service, so this is the last Threadbeast video, at least for now. So hopefully this will be your final decision, or your final little nick, your final thought, like Jerry Springer, to decide whether or not you want to do Threadbeast. But yeah. Alright, so I'm just going to undo this real quick, and then we'll get back to the video. Alright, so box is undone, but first of all, you know, stay hydrated, drink your water, good for your body, good for your soul, all that jazz. Stimulate your senses. Okay. But yeah, here we go. This girthy boy right here. This. I'm seeing a lot of shirts. Alright, let's see. So, ooh, we got a staple shirt. Ugh. Nothing on the back. It literally just says staple, but it's made, staple's made out of a bunch of shoe boxes. So it's kind of clean. I wish there was some more, at least on the back at least. But still, not too shabby, not too shabby. Next up, we got Crooks and Castle. A nice little button up from Crooks and Castle. Standard gray. I mean, the material feels good at least, so. I have a nice dress shirt. Are these? Oh, I got some nice little dressy-ish pants for this. What are these from? Elwood. Got some Elwood pants. So that could just like go with the button up, I think. But yeah. Cool. Let's see what else we got. Oh, we got a Diamond Supply hoodie. Ugh. If you know me, you know I love my hoodies. Diamond Supply. And I can wear this with the, ooh. I know. Diamond Supply hoodie. You know, you got simplicity is the key to brilliance on the back. I don't know why I'm struggling with this. But yeah, material feels good. Soft on the outside, warm on the inside. Let's see. And we got a grizzly, a grizzly shirt. You know, shout out to T Grizzly. First day out, you know what I'm saying. Nothing on the back. So it just says Grizzly down the middle. And that's kind of an odd placement for Grizzly to just be down the middle, but okay. And then the final thing is HWD. I'm not sure what company this is, but made in Mexico, 100% cotton. But yeah, literally just HWD, nothing on the back. Um, this was kind of a underwhelming. Considering the size of it, I mean, yeah, it's all good. I'm sure it all feels good, but it was kind of underwhelming. Because, considering the size, I thought there'd be like more. Because you have the options for like wallets and chains and accessories, basically. And I was just like, I have that selected, so I was expecting some accessories at least. But, I mean, nothing really standing out. HWD, I mean, no designs on the back or nothing. Grizzly, I'm still confused why you'd even put the font there. It's definitely different, but not my cup of tea. And the hoodie, the pants, and button up. Yeah, I was just expecting something a little more flashy, I guess, a little more pop. But, alright, so, gonna go make some outfits, and I'll get back to you. Alright, so, I guess shout out to, like, freshman year of high school, because I actually have mostly a whole diamond outfit now. But, diamond hoodie, feels snug, feels good, feels tight. Like it, I approve of it. We got the diamond shirt from one of the previous packages. I'm saying it's just a skull biting into a gem or something. A diamond. I said a gem. Wow. And then we use a little stepping stool right here. We got some shorts. They're not diamond, but they match the scheme though. So, not too shabby. Oh yeah, the back, of course. Then we just got some socks and the diamond slides. Fresh. Because I've only worn them like once. But, yeah, I mean, overall, I guess the hoodie, I'm gonna give this fit like a good. It's just casual, comfy. So I'm gonna give it a good. I'm gonna give it a good 7. A good 7. Yeah, it's just casual, comfy, just to walk around the house or go on a walk or something. So we'll give it a good 7. And on to the next one. Actually, before we go on to the next one, I just wanted to point out this one has a sticker that says bonus items or bonus item. When I redeemed the points, it said bonus items, plural. This was the only one that had a bonus item. So, yeah, just a, one item, even though I was supposed to get multiple, but Yeah, on to the next one. Alright, so this one's the Grizzly shirt. Honestly, despite the print being just directly in the middle, shirt's very comfy, very soft material. I mean, it's 100% cotton anyway, so. But yeah, we just did something slight with this, some slight heat, just full black and white. Got some black ripped jeans. Got the A Force ones. The A Force ones. Accessories always help an outfit, so got a little chain right here. But I don't have room to stretch horizontally, so here you go. But yes, some ripped jeans. As long as you go in black and white, you can't really mess up with this shirt. And I don't know, it's a kind of nice fit for a function, whatever function, just walking around or doing something. Or you could just switch it with a pair of sweatpants, some black sweatpants. And for the shoes, I guess any shoes that are really all white, all black, black and white, white and black, you know. But yeah, I'll give this. I'm not. This is actually growing on me, so I'll give it a good. I'll give it a good. I'll give it a 7.5. Yeah, 7.5. Now you may be asking yourself, Corey, is that the only pair of black pants that you have? And the answer is no. But you only really need like 3, maybe 4 pairs of pants at most, and then just a bunch of shirts to make a bunch of different outfits. So these are my favorite pair. But yeah, we doing the HDW shirt. Feel wise, soft material. I like that. I didn't really have much orange to work with besides this and my hoodie, but shoe wise, I don't got anything tealish, or not teal, but sky blue, or at least that shade of orange, and I'm OCD, so I want it to be that exact shade. But we're rocking the flannel, the accessory. We got the jeans, and let's keep the stool over here. The closest thing I could use, shoe-wise, was my Jordans. Even though up close it doesn't really look like that, but the sole with this, and that's kind of the shade of one of these squares. I could work with it. I could work with it, but yeah, not too shabby. I think these could go well with some Air Force Ones too, or white, black, orange. That's the main color scheme. You'll work with that. But yeah, this is some slight heat. I'll give it a good. I'll give this one an 8. I'm actually feeling it. I'll give this one an 8. But yeah, same thing with the next shirt. With the, what is this? The staple shirt. I mean, you can just, as long as you have like some accessories, even without the accessories, if you can just put a good flannel over it, or if you just like need some comfy wear for around the house, some sweatpants, you straight. Some black sweatpants, gray sweatpants, you straight. But yeah. Alright, so I'm not gonna do staples since it's basically the same thing as this. So on to the last 2 things. Alright, we rocking the pants, bro. The Elwood pants. I had to bring out the turtleneck for this one. Your boy out here looking like he works at Apple. You know what I'm saying? We got the chains, the accessories, the glasses, looking studious. We're going for a studious, kind of smart kind of vibe. You know what I'm saying? Accessories, turtleneck, tucked in with the belt. The pants themselves, nice fits, feel good, comfortable enough breathing space for all of your fun joints. You know what I'm saying? I'm looking like a material boy out here. Come on now. Fuck with your boy. I look Ashley. I look like a freaking rock, bro. Dwayne Johnson. He has some picture. He's like leaning up against something, and I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty freaking sure this is like very close to that outfit. But yeah, I fuck with this. This is a look. This is gas. I don't got no black shoes, some black dress shoes, but this belt's reversible, so I could get my brown pair of dress shoes, and if this turtleneck were brown, that would be a fit right there. But yeah, this is gas. The pants feel very good. I like them. They can be dress pants, they can be casual pants, whatever you're feeling for whatever function. Give the pants and this fit. I'm gonna give this one a 9. I'm feeling this one. I'm gonna give this one a 9. But what do we have next? Oh, we just have the last button up, and that's it. All right, so this one was weird. Because if you take a closer look at it, it's not actually just gray. It's like gray with like a hue or a tint of navy blue. So me being OCD and wanting everything to match, you know. But we're going for the more dressier situation, I guess, in this case. Still rocking the turtleneck, the blue pants or the navy blue pants from before. I don't know, kind of make it businessy, make it business casual, I guess. Or this could work well for, you know, just cargo pants, white tee maybe, gray cargo pants. I'm not even sure. I think it would work well with cargo pants though. And if you treat it more like a flannel than just being dressy, I don't have any hoodies that I think would work with this, but yeah. But overall, feel wise, it feels good. Style, I mean, I don't have anything that I feel can make a decent outfit with it, but I don't know. I'll give this one a 6. Yeah, I'll give this one a 6. Oh, and anything else? Nope. That is it. Yes, that's it. That's gonna be my last package for a while, unless if I decide to get it back. Overall, I'll give this package a. I'll give it a. I'll give it a 6. I'll give it a 6 because, you know, despite the size, you know, I was expecting some A tier goodies, but overall was kind of underwhelming, even with the extra bonus item, even though I was supposed to get multiple ones. But yeah, I mean, the pants were by far the best part. The hoodie was comfortable, but yeah, I know. It didn't tickle my fancy like previous packages. But yeah, I'm gonna give this one a good 6, a 6.5. I'll give it a 6.5. And yeah, hopefully, if you're debating on whether to get Threadbeast or not, these videos have helped you. I'll make a playlist out of them so you can see. I hope you all have a good day. You know what I'm saying. Keep pushing, doing you. Whatever you're going through, you're going to get through it. I promise you, it's only temporary. And yeah, from your favorite material boy, I'm out. Until next time.